Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the NVIDIA graphics card not showing in Device Manager on Windows. First, restart your computer. This sounds simple, but it can fix temporary system glitches. After restarting, right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. Click on View at the top and select Show Hidden Devices. Now expand Display Adapters and check if your NVIDIA card appears as a faded or unknown device. If you see it, right-click on it and choose Enable Device. If the card is still missing, check under Other Devices. If you see Unknown Device, this could be your graphics card without a driver. Right-click it and choose Uninstall Device, then restart the computer. Next, download the correct NVIDIA driver. Open your web browser and go to the official NVIDIA website. Select your graphics card model and your Windows version carefully. Download the latest driver. Once downloaded, install the drivers and restart when finished. If the driver cannot detect your GPU, check BIOS settings. Restart your computer and enter BIOS or UEFI. Look for graphics or advanced settings. Make sure PCI Express or discrete graphics is enabled. Save changes and exit BIOS. Finally, if none of these steps work, test the graphics card in another computer or test another card in your system. This helps confirm if the GPU itself is faulty. That is how you fix NVIDIA graphics card not showing in Device Manager. Thanks for watching.